welcome listener. Today we will discuss a very important topic, that is range function. The range is a built-in function in Python that is used to iterate over a sequence of numbers. Now syntax: range, start, stop, step. Now start is optional, the first number in the sequence. Default is 0. Stop, required, the number at which the sequence stops, and that should be exclusive. That means ending with one less than the number end. And step, that is also optional, the difference between each number. By default, every number in the range is incremented by 1, but we can specify a different increment using step. It can be either a positive value or negative value, but it cannot be equal to 0. This is very important. Step size cannot be equal to 0. Either positive value or negative value. Any value, any positive value, any negative value, but cannot be equal to 0. As for example, for I in range 5 colon print I. Here only one argument is there. If only one argument is given, it is treated as the stop, and start is equal to 0 by default. That's why for I in range 0, 5 print I. So for both the cases, for I in range 5 or for I in range 0, 5, output should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot go up to 5 because ending with 1 less than the number end. Now here, for I in range 5 colon print I end equal to under double quote \t, or for I in range 0, 5 colon print I end equal to under double quote \t. Here for printing values in the same line, use end with a separator. Here we use tab, that is \t, as separator. So we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot go up to 5 because 5 is the ending number. So ending with 1 less than the number should be displayed in the output. And as end equal to under double quote \t is there, so we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same line. Now with start and stop, for I in range 2, 5 colon print I end equal to under single quote, space is there. It must be under double quote also. So this time we start from 2 and end up to 5 minus 1, that is 4, because by default step size is 1. So this time we get 2, 3, 4 in the same line. Now with step, for I in range 1, 25, 3 colon print I end equal to under single quote, some space is there. Here start is 1, stop is 25, step size is 3. So first 1 will display, after that 1 plus 3, that is 4 will display, then 4 plus 3, 7 will display, then 7 plus 3, 10 will display, then 10 plus 3, 13 will display, then 13 plus 3, 16 will display, then 16 plus 3, 19 will display, then 19 plus 3, 22 will display, then 22 plus 3, 25. But ending with 1 less than number end will display. So 25 will never display. So we get up to 22. Here negative step, that is reverse. So for I in range 10, 0, minus 2 colon print I. Here start is 10, stop is 0, step is minus 2. So first 10 will display. After that 10 plus minus 2, that is 8 will display. After that 8 plus minus 2, that is 6 will display. After that 6 plus minus 2, that is 4 will display. After that 4 plus minus 2, that is 2 will display. After that 2 plus minus 2, 0, but 0 is the end or stop point. That's why 0 will never display. So you'll get 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 in the new line, and this will display in the output. Can be converted to list and tuple. List range 5. So we will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as list. That's why it should be in third bracket. Tuple range 5. This time we will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in first bracket. That is, it shows tuple. Efficient. That is lazy evaluation. Range does not store all members in memory. It generates them on demand. So range is memory efficient. As for example, A is equal to range 1, 1000. If this were a list, Python would have to store all 1000 numbers in memory. But with range, Python just keeps track of start is equal to 1, stop equal to 1000, step is equal to 1. That is, step is equal to 1 by default. So it does not waste memory. So range is memory efficient. Supports indexing. That is, range supports indexing. Now range acts like an immutable sequence, and it can use indexing and slicing. As for example, r is equal to range 2, 10, 2. Print r under third bracket 2. In the next line, print r under third bracket colon 2. Now for print r under third bracket 2, it gives 6, and print r under third bracket colon 2, it gives range 2, 6, 2. How it is possible? You see, here r is equal to range 2, 10, 2. Here start is equal to 2, stop equal to 10, that is not included, and step is equal to 2. So it gives 2, 4, 6, 8. It will not display 10. Now apply r under third bracket 2, that is indexing. That means R0 gives 2, R1 gives 4, R2 gives 6, R3 gives 8. That's why R2 gives 6. That's why you get 6 in the output. Now print R under third bracket colon 2. Here take first two elements, that is index 0 and 1. Those are 2, 4. So Python returns another range object that represent those values. That is range 2, 6, 2. In the value form, it should be 2, 4. This is the total explanation of R colon 2. That is start equal to 2, stop equal to 10, not included, step is equal to 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now apply R colon 2, take first two elements, that is index 0 and 1, those are 2, 4. Python returns another range object that represents those values. So range 2, 6, 2 gives 2, 4. Thank you.